camper van market is heating up, and Toyota is ready to make a serious statement with the all-new 2027 Toyota Nomad camper. Designed for adventure seekers, weekend explorers, and full-time van life enthusiasts, this exciting new camper combines Toyota's legendary reliability with modern comfort and innovative camping features. If you've been dreaming of hitting the open road without sacrificing convenience, the Nomad camper could be exactly what you've been waiting for. At first glance, the 2027 Toyota Nomad camper stands out with a rugged yet refined appearance. The exterior features a bold front fascia with sleek LED headlights, a modern grille design, and protective body cladding that gives it a capable off-road inspired look. Toyota has carefully balanced functionality and style, creating a vehicle that looks equally at home in a mountain campsite or an urban parking lot. Large side windows improve visibility while flooding the cabin with natural light. Available roof racks, integrated awnings, and optional solar panels make the Nomad even more versatile for extended adventures. The compact dimensions make maneuvering easier than many traditional RVs, while the elevated ground clearance allows drivers to explore rougher terrain with confidence. Toyota also offers several exterior color options inspired by nature, helping owners personalize their camper while embracing the outdoor lifestyle. Step inside, and the Nomad camper reveals a surprisingly spacious and intelligently designed living area. Every inch of space has been optimized to maximize comfort and practicality. The cabin features premium materials, durable surfaces, and a clean, modern aesthetic. The flexible seating arrangement quickly transforms into a comfortable sleeping area, making overnight stays simple and convenient. One of the highlights is the compact kitchenette, which includes a small refrigerator, induction cooktop sink, and cleverly designed storage compartments. Whether you're preparing a quick breakfast or a full dinner after a day of hiking, the Nomad provides the essentials needed for life on the road. Additional storage solutions are integrated throughout the cabin, ensuring that camping gear, clothing, and supplies remain organized. Technology plays a major role in the new Nomad camper. A large touchscreen infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, while multiple USB-C ports and wireless charging pads keep devices powered. Toyota also includes a smart energy management system that allows owners to monitor battery usage, solar charging status, water levels, and interior climate controls directly from a mobile app. Under the hood, Toyota is expected to offer an efficient hybrid powertrain that delivers impressive fuel economy without compromising capability. The hybrid setup combines a gasoline engine with an electric motor to provide smooth acceleration and reduced emissions. For adventure enthusiasts, an available all-wheel drive system enhances traction on dirt roads, gravel paths, and challenging weather conditions. Driving comfort remains a top priority. The Nomad camper features a refined suspension system that absorbs road imperfections while maintaining stable handling. Advanced driver assistance technologies, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking help make long-distance travel safer and less stressful. Toyota's reputation for durability gives the Nomad a significant advantage in the growing camper market. Owners can expect dependable performance and lower maintenance costs compared to many competitors. This combination of reliability and practicality could make the Nomad one of the most appealing camper vans in its segment. As for pricing, industry experts expect the 2027 Toyota Nomad camper to start at approximately $45,000 for base models, with fully equipped versions reaching around $65,000 depending on options and accessories. While Toyota has not yet released official pricing details, the Nomad is positioned to offer strong value compared to similarly equipped camper vans on the market. The 2027 Toyota Nomad camper represents an exciting new chapter for travelers seeking freedom, flexibility, and comfort. With its stylish design, smart interior, efficient hybrid powertrain, and adventure-ready features, this camper could become one of the most talked about vehicles of the year. If Toyota delivers on expectations, the Nomad may redefine what modern road trip living looks like for a whole new generation of explorers.